Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be teaching us a 6-2-5-1 progression on the key of C. All right, so let's get started. Now this is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, right? So if we say a 6-2-5-1, now what does it mean? 6 2 5 1. So you have 6-2-5-1, right? Now before I continue, please, my intermediate course and beginners course is selling. Please make sure you get that. The link is in my store on YouTube here, on my product store. You will find it there, and I'll also drop it in the description. And also, my second single is out. The first one was Ephesians 1:18, right? Second one is Kasongo. Those of you that know Kasongo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kasongo, yeah. Now this time around, we flipped it to a very crazy time signature and crazy approach, crazy progression, crazy everything. Trust me, I'm going to drop the link in the description. I'm going to pin it in the comment section. Make sure you stream my song. If you know you like me and you love me and you want to support me, please do stream my song and share also. All right. So real quick, you can see that I'm using the ODX MIDI I talked about, and this time around there are upgrades to it. If you notice, good. So make sure you get it. So now we are going to do 6-2-5-1. What is 6? Then 2, then 5, then 1. But now this is not how we are going to be approaching it. All right, we are going to be approaching it as a passing movement. When you hear 6-2-5-1, you know that the next thing that should come up is 4, because you may be either going to 4, going to 2, or going to flat 7. So now the first movement I'm going to show us is a rootless movement. If you don't know what rootless is, go get my intermediate course and learn what rootless voicings are. All right, so now the first movement is like this. I'll do it again. So you have I love you, Jesus, I worship him. Oh, all right. So now what is happening in my left hand? Rootless voicings. What's happening in my right hand? Slow. All of them are my intermediate course. So if you haven't gotten it, please do. First chord, you can see the notes. I'm sure we can see the note very clear now. So, right, first chord. So that's C major 7th. Then you slow. You slow. So second chord. So you just play this. So then I do it again. All right. Then the next one. So this is the notes. Then the next one. I love this chord. Oh Jesus. Flat 7th. So first. Now this for the 1 now. So I worship him. so slow. You notice that all of them I was slurring. A major seventh. Or alright, so let's do that again. I love you, Jesus. Right? And this is one. Now I'm going to show you another one that is slightly different from your left hand, like your left hand movements. You guys have heard me do this a lot, and you hear Mastercraft do it a lot, and SMG and blah blah stuff. So slightly different. Now this is what it sounds like. You get so what's changing here? Same thing. Then here now you now do. So 2 inversion. If you want to learn about inversion, my course too. You get so you see that, you see how it's slow. So let's try first one now. I love you, Jesus. Woo! I don't know how I thought of this now. But if you can catch it, catch it. Oh, sorry. That's it now. Right? So I did that first one. Welcome today. Now, if you are smart enough, yes, there is something here. I will not say so much. All right, so the next one is same thing but slightly different in melody. So this is what it sounds like. So that is what I'm doing. Then I want to do a triton substitution, but let's keep that. So first thing I'm playing is, so I'm stacking major sevens, like more like an odd 9, more like a C rather. That's it. So this one. Right? First one, second one, just chromatic. So just move it chromatic. And I'm playing it as rootless, right? So you're having, that's what it's supposed to sound like. But now because it's rootless, I'm doing. So first chord, Pick that. You can see all the chords. Second one. Pick that. Third one. Pick that. Last one. I love this display. So all right, so let's do for another song now. What's the song? What is it? So for those of you that you know this, right? If you don't, check my a lot of things though. Now I'm in spirit. I'm not supposed to be doing this. So we have done like two, right? I don't know. Let me look and see. Okay, let me add one. Let me add one. Let me add one. So same thing on your left, but now the chord on your right change. Now instead of you move it chromatic. So you get, so instead of so now you do, then you can do, oh sorry, so first thing, right? Now let me break that down. First chord, right? Second chord, just chromatic. Third chord, just chromatic. Then the fourth chord, now you now do this movement. You can even extend it. So what I'm doing is, then I'm repeating it. You get? So you can you yo. So I think that is all for this session. Please, like I said, if you haven't streamed my song, please do that. Make sure you stream my song. Make sure you get my courses, and that's the best way you can support me. If you want to dash me money, I mean, you can dash me money, but I mean, this is also a way you can support me. And if you know I've been a blessing to your life, stream my song. All right. So, guys, see you in the next one. God bless you.